as you're thinking of and forming a company, get your organizational documents done right, especially if you have partners, right? If there's more than one. And as we all know, when you're starting out as an entrepreneur in business, you're counting pennies, right? You're holding on to cash. And so what we see so often is people think of, I don't, I need to spend the money everywhere else but legal, don't need to worry about it, or we'll get to it later, or we'll do online legal Zoom or something. And what I tell people is if you can, rather than think about this as a startup expense, think of it as a startup investment in the business for what would be a little bit of money in the grand scheme of things to get it right, especially when there's more than one. You can save minimum 10x on the back end when
Yep.
there's a problem.
Absolutely.
And so we see a ton of, good friends and partners go 50-50, don't have a document or literally do like LegalZoom or something. And then sadly, those friends aren't friends several years into the business for any number of reasons. And if you have a 50-50 company and you don't have deadlock provisions or how to resolve that, you are going to end up more times than not in litigation, and litigation gets expensive. Litigation destroys relationships. There's a lot that can go in, to that's not good. And the worst is we see so many times the business suffers, right? It's the proverbial baby in the business divorce. And when mom and dad are fighting, no one's paying attention to the baby.